Hello there, Dr. Dark. I am the Professor, or you can call me Professor Barranco III, or 3, or 3rd. Take your pick. I have a few things to say to you. I can tell that you tried to attack Rayman last night. I'm not okay with that. You stuck into my nightmare last night. The last thing I remember seeing before waking up was your ugly, rotten, disgusting face and those piercing eyes staring right through my soul as if I were a thing. Not a gentleman, not a lady, not a thingamajig, a thing. But hey, that means 2 of us. And between you and me, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I'll see you in hell.